Tip of the day.
The tip of the day is rotors. Surface of the rotor to be smooth all the way around. If you see this old one, you can see it's not too bad, but it's definitely not very smooth. It's been used. The problem with this rotor is actually on the back of this rotor. It's very uneven, and it's been pitted against brake shoes, metal against metal. So this rotor all the way around, as you can see here too, this rotor is ruined and needs to be replaced. Now, if you were to put brake shoes on this rotor and the brakes clamp up against this rotor like so, we'll just use my fingers for example. If it clamps up against there, then the shoes of the brake on this side is going to be chipped away faster because it doesn't have a smooth surface. And over here, it's not completely smooth either. With the rotor being warped and not fully flat and flush, when you put on the brakes, it's not only going to wear the brake pads out faster, but when you stop, since it's grabbing at different levels of the rotor, you may get a shimmy, like a little shimmy like this, in the front end of your brakes, or when your vehicle is stopping. So when you go to stop and you apply the brakes and the front end of your vehicle shakes just a little bit, you may need to check out your rotors and see what kind of condition they are in. Not only will it help you have better brakes, it will also let your brakes last longer because they need to be in contact with a smooth surface rather than an uneven surface. Because if the surface is uneven, your brakes will wear out faster. Here's what the back of the rotor should look like. And as you can see, as the brakes would go up against this, it catches everywhere on a smooth surface and it's not going to shake or shimmy. Anyways, that has been the tip of the day. Hope it helps.